Jews had always been multilingual, but then with the coming of Zionism and socialism in the early 20th century, there was a division. You either chose Israel in Hebrew, and it was Sephardic Hebrew, not Ashkenazi Hebrew, which was also part of the rejection, or you chose Yiddish and socialism, and you would stay behind in the countries and change the economy of Russia, of Poland, of America. And so it was a clear choice. And I was caught between the two of them because I loved Israel, I loved Hebrew, but I had to sort of, in a way, keep a little bit of my, not too much, but to keep a little bit of my Yiddish love a little bit for myself. Because even when I was in the kibbutz, my Argentinian friends all went to Yiddish school, and they all had this love of Yiddish. And so even then, in that way, this environment which I wanted to live in, all Hebrew, still Yiddish popped up as being something we had in common. And Hebrew, in a way, was artificial for a long time. It was something you were learning, something you know, we had many. I remember I was in the kibbutz not long, and I had come back from a hard day in the fields, and I was thirsty, and I wanted to have something to drink. So people were serving the tables, so I asked for a seifel. I know I said I needed a cup of, I would say I needed a cup to drink some juice in. They had cold juice in the table. So instead of saying I want a cup, I said I want seifel is cup and seichel is brains. I said, Ani rotze seichel. I want brains. And they started to laugh because they asked you, do you need seichel, you know? So there's times when funny things happen, you know, with the language. And also, the Hebrew word for bric-a-brac is naknik. The Hebrew word for Frankfurter, hot dog, is naknik. And the English word for bric-a-brac is knick-knack. And I got to the point where I couldn't tell one from the other. I couldn't remember whether I was eating naknik or eating knick-knack. You know, things like that were happening. Confusion. But it worked itself through eventually.